Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the best tools and equipment in the market. Today, we have something special in store for you: the WEN 6524 Oscillating Belt and Spindle Sander. If you're in the market for the best oscillating drum sander, you've come to the right place. The WEN 6524 is a powerhouse when it comes to sanding arcs, curves, contours, faces, and more on even the most oddly shaped workpieces. Stick around as we delve deep into its features, performance, and why it's one of the top choices for woodworkers. Let's start by highlighting some of the key features that make the WEN 6524 stand out from the competition. First off, it comes with 5 different spindle sizes: 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, 1 inch, 1-1/2 inch, and 2 inches. This variety ensures you have the right tool for the job, no matter the size or shape of your workpiece. The WEN 6524 can operate with belt speeds of up to 1,575 feet per minute and spindle speeds of up to 2,000 RPM. That means it can handle both aggressive material removal and finer finishing work. Powering this beast is a 3.5 amp motor that oscillates the belt and spindle a remarkable 58 times per minute, with a 5/8 inch stroke. This oscillation feature helps prevent sanding marks and ensures a smoother finish. Organizing your accessories and sandpapers is a breeze with the onboard storage. No more searching for that missing throat plate or rubber sanding drum. Everything is neatly organized. It even includes a beveling work table, allowing you to tackle angled edges and surfaces effortlessly. Now, let's talk about performance. The WEN 6524 delivers exceptional results when it comes to sanding. Whether you're working on straight edges, curved contours, or even complex shapes, this sander has you covered. The oscillation and speed options make it versatile, so you can use it for various woodworking projects. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, the WEN 6524 ensures accuracy and precision. It sands away imperfections, smoothens rough edges, and leaves your workpiece looking professional. But that's not all. When you purchase the WEN 6524, you also get a range of accessories that add even more value to your purchase. Included in the package are 5 throat plates, 4 rubber sanding drums, 1 belt sanding attachment, and 6 pieces of 80 grit sandpaper, 1 for each size spindle and the belt. Now, you might be wondering about the price. The WEN 6524 Oscillating Belt and Spindle Sander offers incredible value for money. At a price point that won't break the bank, it provides professional-level results. You can check out the latest pricing and availability on Amazon, and we've included a link in the video description below for your convenience. So, there you have it, folks. The WEN 6524 Oscillating Belt and Spindle Sander. It's a top-notch tool that's perfect for woodworkers of all skill levels. With its impressive features, performance, and accessories, it's no wonder it's considered one of the best oscillating drum sanders on the market. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of the best tools and equipment out there. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.